Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream with Greek yogurt. First, ensure your Greek yogurt is full fat and very cold, about 1 cup. This is crucial for achieving the right texture. Next, measure out 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Finally, have 0.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. These simple ingredients are all you need to create a delicious, lighter alternative to traditional whipped cream. Before you begin, place your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This cold environment helps the yogurt thicken properly. Once chilled, add your cold Greek yogurt and powdered sugar to the bowl. Stir these 2 ingredients together until the sugar is fully dissolved. Then, gently fold in the vanilla extract, being careful not to overmix at this stage. Now it's time to whip. Using an electric mixer, start on medium-high speed. Whip the mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes. You're looking for soft peaks to form, where the cream holds its shape but still looks light and airy. Be careful not to overwhip, as Greek yogurt can become grainy if pushed too far. Stop as soon as you reach your desired consistency. For extra flavor, consider adding a pinch of citrus zest or a tablespoon of cocoa powder. This whipped cream is best served immediately, perhaps over fresh berries, pancakes, or your favorite dessert. It offers a delightful, tangy twist. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, healthier whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.